SuperOps gives you automated device discovery across Windows, Mac, Linux, network, and mobile devices, all from one platform. With Shadow IT, personal devices, and remote work making complete device visibility harder, SuperOps brings your entire environment into one unified view, so nothing slips through the cracks. In this video, we'll show you how to deploy the SuperOps agent and start managing your devices right away. From Assets, head to Endpoints and click Download Agent. Select the site, then choose your deployment method. Use the MDM installer to enroll Apple or Android devices, or automate enrollment through Android Zero Touch or Apple Automated Device Enrollment. For automated zero-touch deployments on Windows, Mac, or Linux, use the Silent installer and copy the generated command for your OS. This comes in handy when you are migrating from your existing RMM systems. Need to roll out the agent at scale? Use bulk deployment with Group Policy or Microsoft Intune. And for a straightforward manual installation, open Downloader to grab the Windows, Mac, or Linux installer directly, or copy its URL to share with a user for self-service onboarding. You can also install the SuperOps agent directly during a network scan. With automated device discovery, SuperOps surfaces connected but unmanaged devices, helping eliminate blind spots and uncover shadow IT. From there, one-click onboarding lets you bring discovered devices under management instantly without additional tools or manual setup. Once installed, the device appears in SuperOps, ready to monitor, automate, and troubleshoot remotely. And that's the power of automated device discovery in action. Your team can enforce policies, push software, run remote sessions, and automate routine maintenance like patch cycles and health checks, all from a single pane of glass. That means faster onboarding, stronger security posture, and less time spent chasing down rogue devices across the network.